Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Troubleshooting and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to enter factory setting without password. So usually what happens is whenever we go to settings, something like this, let me go there, click on car setting and click on system settings and go to factory settings. And as soon as you click on factory setting, you'll have to enter password, and whatever password you give, it always throws a error message, something like this: your password is null. So no matter what you do, it is always that error which you're going to get. So in today's video, let's quickly see how you can bypass that. So in today's video, let's quickly check that. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So let's quickly check that how to enter factory setting without providing the password. If you go to car settings and click on factory setting, so you'll have to always provide the password. So let's see how to enter without providing the password. So the first thing is we need to download an application. So if I go to applications and need to download this particular app, Shortcut Master. It's not available on Google Play Store, I believe. So you'll have to directly search it on Chrome and install it. I'll quickly show you all how to install it from Chrome. For that, you'll have to go to Chrome and search for Shortcut Master. APK. So once you search, it should show all the results. You can download from any website. You can download from any of the website you want. So anything is fine. Lite is fine. If you get the Pro, and you can download that as well. You can open APK Mirror. You can download it from APK Mirror as well. Lite is also fine. If you get Pro version, you can download that as well. Here you can come and select whichever version you want. And if you scroll down, there should be a download option. Click on download and your download is starting, should come up. If it doesn't come, you can just click on this and it should bring up a pop-up. Click on OK and it should download. Now what you have to do is just open this file and install it. I've already installed, so I don't want to install again, or else you can go to downloads and you can see that file over here as well, and click on this and click on install. You might have to give access to install it from unknown sources. On settings, it should automatically come for the first time, so you can do that. So once installed, just open Shortcut Master and you should see something like this. Let me increase the brightness, car setting, brightness, and let me make it as maximum. And now go to Shortcut Master. Here you have to click on three dots. You'll have to click on App Explorer, so you can explore all the apps from here. So here you should find factory setting as well. So if you scroll down, you can see factory setting. Click on that, and here usually what you see is, if you click this one, you'll see launch. So this is what you see usually. So we are bypassing this and directly entering factory setting activity. Click on launch and it should bring up the factory setting options, which is not available directly without the password. So you can make any changes you want. You can change the car logo. So you can do a lot of settings over here. You can do the logo settings as well. Boot logo, if you want, you can set that as well. Scroll down and you can see Volkswagen's logo and click on set logo. Now you can go back and click on save. That should save this particular setting, and then you can enable any of the feature if you want. So there are multiple features available that should be supported by your car as well. All the connections should be done, only then it would be accessible, or else it's of no use. You can do panel setting, learn physical panel can be done from here as well. That is car steering buttons and all you can configure from here, or there's a separate option for that as well. So that's how you can do it. So yeah, that's a quick video which I wanted to make, and if you want to send the file directly from your phone, you can do that as well. You can install local send and you can send the file from your phone to this. And for configuring this steering buttons, you can go to, there should be software learning app already installed. You can open that as well. So there's the software learning button. You can click on start, press any button, and you can configure the steering buttons. So yeah, that's a quick video which I wanted to make. Hope you all liked it. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.